This is Chapter 2, Section 4, Completing the Square, Lesson 4, Video 2, Writing in Vertex form. So the example says, write the standard form function in vertex form by completing the square. F of x is equal to x squared plus 10x minus 13. This process is much shorter than solving by completing the square, as you only have to do a couple of different steps in order to complete the process. So again, there are steps and they are very specific. So the first step is to separate. By separate, I mean that c, the minus 13, needs to be moved over. We need to make a space for our completion. So you have f of x is equal to, in parentheses, x squared plus 10x, put our blank in, and then minus 13. Now, you need to keep in mind when we're putting in the plus blank for our completing of the square, that we can also cancel it out if we were to, let's say, remove the parentheses. So the opposite of addition is subtraction. So you need to also include a minus blank. But the parentheses are key. You need to make sure that you are visually completely separating the x squared plus 10x plus blank from the minus 13. So the second step is to fill in the blanks. And that's done by completing the square. So 10 divided by 2 squared is equal to 5 squared, which is 25. So you put 25 into each of the blanks. Now, the third is to factor the parentheses and to simplify the outside. So the stuff to the far right, the minus 13 minus 25. So that would give us f of x is equal to, in parentheses, x plus 5 squared, and then negative 13 minus 25 is minus 38. We are now officially done. This is it. As you can see, it's a whole lot shorter process than it is to solve. So again, the first thing that you want to do is separate using parentheses. Put in your blanks, and the two blanks should be opposites. The one on the inside should be a plus, and the one on the outside should be a minus. From there, you complete your squares. Okay, so we got 25 in this case. Then from there, you simplify and you're done. And that would be the end of how to do vertex form by completing the square. So your U-try is to write in standard form to write in vertex form x squared minus 3x plus 16. And again, this is the end of the second video.